fishing. David, what you think? Good. You catch some fish or what?
Oh yeah.
About to go fishing, right? Huh? Let's go, Will! Let's go fishing! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Got it.
What do you think he's got, Will?
I think it's a redfish, huh? Davis, what you think? Think it's a red or a drum? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, all that, yeah. Nice and easy. Look, easy up, David. Yeah. And let him go when he runs like that, and then when he stops, reel down to him. There you go. There you go. Yeah.
Both hands pull him up. One hand on the rod, one hand on the reel.
Now reel down. There you go.
Like that.
You know what? This is a big fish, huh, son? Alright, stay tuned, y'all. Do not lose him, you understand?
I got you.
I got you. Oh, yeah. Big old drum.
Oh my God.
Big old drum. Come over by the captain. Bring him by the captain. Big old drum. Keep reeling him up. Cool. That is a big drum, son. Huh? Bring him to the captain. Holy cow.
Damn. Look at this motherfucker.
Easy, bud. Easy with you. That's a dinosaur, huh? What's up, fellas? Golly.
Dude, that's a monster.
I mean, this is a big fish, right? You got him.
You got that, Will?
You got him, bud. You got him.
Real.
Keep reeling, bud.
Got that in the bag, Will, in the bag.
Hold him tight. Do not let go of that rod. Do not let go of that rod, son. You understand?
We doubled up, boys. We doubled up.
Oh, yeah. Koopy's got one, too. Alright. Alright, that's what I like to hear. Well, you got it, bud.
It doesn't stop.
That's a monster. Hey, where? Are you pulling in a cinder block? Are you just pulling in a brick? Yeah?
Yeah.
You want,
I got it.
you want Dave to take it? Got it? I want to see what this monster is. Oh. Easy.
Lord have mercy.
Holy cow! Look at that Neanderthal. Oh, well. Jeez, son.
That's good to eat, right?
No.
Oh, God, Will. Will, you think you can hold that up?
Oh, Jesus, all right.
Will, let me get a picture with him.
All right, David. next to it so at least we can show you how big. It's almost as big as you. It really is. Yep. Awesome. All right, time to let him go. Uh-huh. That might be our fish fry right there. Oh. You need Will's help? Bill, you need Will's help on this? There you go. Yes. We could keep that in see. Oh, Davis, are you trying to wreck his tackle? What are you doing? Man, he's going under the boat. Look, don't jerk him, don't jerk him. Put this.
Oh, we doubled up now for sure.
Now we definitely doubled up. Acoustic, you got one, right?
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Okay, Will, where's your line at? You might have to reel your line in.
Yeah, look, Will.
You tangled up.
Will. Let me nasty. You nasty, Davis, or what?
Yeah, you know.
Cool. Davis, why are you pulling in a big ugly fish? Why are you doing that? Here, get Davis's.
Oh yeah.
I got a Acoustic. Uh-huh. Oh yeah, that's a good one, bud. Cool. That's a good one, bud. Here, Davis, let Will take your pump.
I don't. Yeah.
No?
I only did a video on the side.
Yeah? I got you.
It's okay, bro. Oh, you could be ready. I am.
Will.
Try to bite it.
Sorry.
He's so cute.
Hey, can we cut this line, Captain? Here, get a knife real quick. Acoustic. Oh, you.
I thought you, where you got him at?
But in the wing right there.
It won't come out?
I'm not sure.
Oh no.
Ooh.
Wait, is he can fly?
Yeah, he will. Can we cut this line out? Get a look on the one last foot. Oh, buddy, why are you biting me, man? I'm just trying to help you. Is it all gone?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, look, his wing, on his wing. Right here, Captain. The right part of his wing. Davis, the right part of his wing. No, up here, Mama. Yeah.
Oh. Dude, that's like...
All right, we gotta cut that out. I got it.
That's it.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Cute like that.
Dude.
Yep, he flew away. He's shaking it off, yeah. Yep, perfect.